Okay, you guys, this is gonna be, how many McChickens?
4, 8 in all.
4 McChickens in 3 minutes. I don't think they can do it. There might be a surprise along the way. So, got this here, but I don't know how to edit that in. So we're gonna do editing later, but I will keep track of the time for these retards. All right.
You can't say that word
on your mark. Get set and go. Oh, looks delicious. It's hard to imagine. I know exactly what it was like because it's more than you think.
This is awful.
It's a lot of McChicken. Not even done with one. Not even 30 seconds. So they gotta keep going. 3 minutes. Okay. And I didn't even, when I was doing it, I didn't even have water or anything. I just had to drink something else. But coming up on a minute here, ladies. Yeah, that's a mark. Mark at 1 minute. Yeah. Don't even have one down. It's disappointing. I don't know why. It's definitely not going to go to the Nathan's hot dog eating contest. It's getting rough. It's getting pretty rough. I'm just kind of slowly roll this in here. And yeah, we're at 1:30 right now. Halfway there. Halfway there. Oh boy. What is the date today? It's Saturday, so it's gonna be Sunday tomorrow. Got a lot to do. Not a lot to do here though. I'm drinking water. It's rough. Like barely, one's barely got 2 down. And I still got time to go here. It's 2 minutes and 7 seconds. We're on 4 McChickens in 3 minutes. I don't know, it's getting close. It's getting close. Ethan's got 1 more to go. 1 more to go. He's got 30 seconds. Probably might be able to make it. I don't know if he's gonna make it. Got 2 minutes, 40 seconds. And I don't know, guys. Are you guys getting it? There's some hot coffee for him. And I don't think that's helping out at all because we are closing in on 3 minutes and they have not done the challenge. Ladies, thank you for participating. Not a sponsor of McDonald's, but we're gonna thank them for their coffee and their McChickens left over. Hey guys, be safe, right? Let's not do something we shouldn't. And maybe we should start training a little bit more. Have a good day. Goodbye.